Bonjour everyone. Welcome to my channel, The French Corner. This is a French learning program for beginners. My name is Sanya and I'm your host and teacher. The objective of this beginner's course is to teach you the real French the easy way. So let's start with your first lesson now. This introductory lesson teaches you how to greet someone. First, we'll learn the formation of French sentences. It starts with sujet, that is subject, verb, verb, complement, that is object. There are two levels of speech, familiar and formal. The formal meet and greet is starts with bonjour, which means hello, good morning, or good afternoon. Bonsoir, which means good evening. To be more specific, we use bonjour mademoiselle, which means hello miss, bonjour madame, hello madam, bonjour monsieur, hello sir. Comment allez-vous or vous allez bien means how are you doing. To answer this question, we use oui, yes, no, no. Je vais bien, merci, bien, merci. I'm doing good, thank you, or good, thank you. Pas mal, which means not bad. Comme si, comme ça, so, so. Je vais mal, très mal. I'm doing really bad. We need to note that très means very and a that means and. When you want to leave a conversation, we use au revoir, which means goodbye. A tout à l'heure, a plus tard, which means see you later. A bientôt, see you soon. A demain, see you tomorrow. Thank you for listening to this video. For more updates, follow the French Corner on Instagram and like, comment, and share, and subscribe my channel to learn more. Thank you.